Kavinda ni kambe wa Amanyiw'A ngilimana kenda na miongo thanthatu mambiia mutiani wa muthya wa kilasi cha form 4 Kcse Amanyiw'A ngili miongo kenda mana muonza na miongo kenda na kenda nimekaliila mutiani kauntini itatu cia ukamba kaunti ya Kitui. Amanyiw'A ngili miongo ile na thanthatu mana 5 nimo mekaliila mutiani Masaku. Amanyiw'A ngili miongo 33 mana kenda na miongo thanthatu na 8 na indi Amanyiw'A ngili miongo 3 mana 3 na miongo 3 ni mambiia Kcse. Umunthi Amanyiw'A ithangu ya kisungu ya mbee kana paper 1 na chemistry ithangu ya mbee. Ono uyovo mutiani ni wambia nesa vatesiko cia ukengani inalivotewa na valosesei ululumelelwe kwikithya mutiani ni waende ya nesa. Karibu chalo nukutuelesea.
Kondeina ya mutiani wa Kcse kaunti ya Makueni musieni wa watemo ofisini ma county commissioner ikivingwa mbee wa munini wa county commissioner komanda wa polisi maofisa mosesei alimwanene maskulu cia sekondari muthenyani wao kwambililia na vala Amanyiw'A mambisya nesomo ya kisungu. Utalo wa Amanyiw'A ngili miongo 3 mana 3 na miongo 3 va Makueni nimo mambisya mutiani huu nthini wa isese mana na miongo 24 kati wa utalo huu imwana nengili 14 mana 8 na muonza na mwetu nengili 15 mana 5 miongo 23. Makinene tina wa SSOJ Rashid Konya DCC Makueni famu na komanda wa polisi winisiele ni maikithisia Amanyiw'A sese wa kuyana.
We have started very well. We have 22 centers, Kcse examination centers. We opened the container at 7 a.m. with all the security team, together with our county director of education, sub-county director of education, sub-county director Kcse, and all is well.
County Police Commander Makueni and the in charge of deployment of the officers who are manning the national examination centers. We have deployed 2 security officers as per the center, and all is well.
Natulika nthini wa kaunti ya Masaku na vala mbee utalo wa Amanyiw'A ala mekwika mutiani Masaku ni ngili miongo 33 mana kenda miongo 38 nitwakwata ivuso ya kutembeilio mbunge kauta tukiambisya na matungulu vale seso ya mbee cia tene vate mathina. Amanyiw'A ngili na mana 8 miongo 88 makianzisya seso yi imwana si ngili ile miongo 42 na mwetu mengilile manana miongo 42. Munene wa kisomo wa matungulu Lilian Gitai nuwakithisia Amanyiw'A sesei.
And the today's papers in the morning, they will start with English paper 1 that will start at 8 and end at 11. Then they'll bring these papers back, we keep, then we give them papers, exam papers for the afternoon. In the afternoon they'll do chemistry paper 1, and we look forward to all those involved in the examination administration to deliver a credible exam free from malpractice in a level playing ground so that all the candidates can battle it out, and we are expecting good results from our candidates.
Otuyo Masaku netukwatie vuso yo vika kilione mbunge cha Kangundo na vala Amanyiw'A ngilile mana 390 kuma kilione mbunge ki mekaliila mutiani imwana si ngilio mwe mana 375 na mwetu mengilio mwe mana 315 nitwavika nthini wa kilio mbunge cha yata na kukomana na Miriam Kema director wa kisomo kilione mbunge ki ula wenda ungamima mutiani maikithia kana vaina siko sio kengani yata thina utalo wa imwana ngilile mana na miongo 45 ala mekwika mutiani na mwetu mengilile mana 91 utali wombe wa Amanyiw'A ala mekwika mutiani nthini wa kilio mbunge ki wingili na mana muonza miongo 36. Tongo TV mesane ya kisomo mutiani wa Kcse mwaka wa 2024 nyeneta wa Caleb Chalo.